I will not stop using this product. I've been looking for a natural product to regulate my wife's blood sugar levels. She's diabetic, has high blood pressure, and this product has helped tremendously to keep sugar levels at a good 6, then 9, then 8, all around there, 7. And I mean coming from 13, 12, from those numbers to the numbers where we're at. Like I said, I will not stop using this product. This is all natural. You take one a day after lunch, you put it under your tongue, and then you take a cup of warm water with it. It's an extract of some berries, fruits, and roots. And you guys know I'm all for